Hello. In this video, we are going to be looking into here. We're looking into making effect sliders for cameras. This is a continuation of my last video, which I will attach here. So basically for this video, we have a field of view slider. Last video, we took care of the 4K button. Field of view slider that works. We have a speed slider for the camera, and basically just a general overview on how to make these sliders work. In the next video, we're going to go ahead and cover as well the working lighting selection. First of all, let's go ahead and delete these three lights here. Then open your content drawer and let's go to the UI here. Let's go ahead and set up a little bit more. So we're going to grab our border and drag it down here. Now after the 4K resolution here, let's find horizontal box with some text. Let's copy and let's paste. Come on. Paste it into the vertical box. There we go. Now let's go ahead and change the text here and let's make it say FOV slider. Then we're going to go ahead and copy a horizontal box, paste it into the vertical box, delete the text. Let's grab a slider. Let's go ahead on this slider and do fill. There we go. All right, let's add some padding. So let's do like 5. That works. Then let's go ahead and do another horizontal box with text. Paste it into the vertical box here. Now let's go ahead and change the text size. Let's go ahead and do like, let me see here. Make sure and check this as variable. Let's check over here. Sorry if you hear meowing. My cat is going ballistic today, and I have no idea why. Let's take it down to something like 9. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and type in 90 here. Then again, let's copy and paste this text. Paste it on onto the vertical box. Let's change this to speed slider. Let's do all of this here. So the slider and the 90 text here, copy and then paste into into the vertical box. It's the morning. I can't talk today. All right, change this value here in the text to 1200. Then let's actually change this here. So this first slider here, let's go ahead and find where we can edit. There we go, values. Minimum value will be 0. The maximum value will be 120. Let's go ahead and set the value to 90 though. Here on the speed slider, let's go ahead and set the value to 1200. Leave 0 for the minimum, maximum, let's do 2400. Then we're going to go ahead and do one more thing. Let's go ahead and copy and paste another horizontal box with the text. Paste it into the vertical box again. And let's change this text. Let's go ahead and make it lighting select. Paste in another horizontal box. Delete the lighting select text here. We're going to drag in a combo box string. Drag that onto the horizontal box here. Go ahead and do fill. Now go ahead and click on this border here and let's just drag it up to about right there. Now compile and save here, and we need to go ahead to our content drawer and create something new. Go ahead and right click, and we're going to go to blueprints, blueprint enumerator, do enum underscore lighting types. Open it up. I need to edit it because I spelled it anum. I don't know why. I just am horrible at spelling lately. I'm not sure why, or at least typing. Open it up. Let's go ahead and add one and just name it none. Add another. Let's do 3 point. Let's add one more and do overhead. Go ahead and save and close this. Well, actually, let's not close it. Let's leave it open here on the side because we're going to need it in 2 seconds anyway. So if we click here on the combo box string, the selected default options, let's go ahead and add 3 of them. And we're literally just going to copy and paste here over. Now under the index 1 here, let's go ahead and copy the 3 point over. It just has to be spelled exactly correct. And same with the third one here. Under the selected option, we're going to type none. Go ahead and compile it and save, and let's see what it looks like, because I remember it being kind of funky right off the bat. Let's go ahead and change the padding here so that it makes it a little bit smaller. Let me see here. We can just change the border size again, so let's drag it down here to make room for it. Compile it and save it, hit play, and let's see what it looks like here. Yeah, so the selected text stays kind of black, so it makes it extremely hard to actually see it. So let's go ahead and change the text here to white. So let's close this out. Click on this. Let's do here. Text color. Let's make it kind of like a lighter gray. Let's go ahead and see what that looks like now. There we go. That is substantially better. Cool. Go ahead and close this. I apologize if I sound weird. I've come back to record and I'm not doing too good sickness-wise. So let's go ahead and just continue this. So right now, let's go ahead and grab let's do our speed slider first. So let's go ahead and click the slider here. Make sure it's a variable. Go all the way down to the bottom. We need to click on value changed here. Now on value changed, let's go ahead and grab our character. Then we are going to drag out get. I don't know why my game just has not typed lately. That's so weird. Not game. Unreal. Get floating pawn movement. Set. Again, it's doing it. Set max speed. Connect value to max speed. Then what we're going to do, let's do to text. This better not be a reoccurring theme. That's so annoying. There you go. Let's do this. We need to go back to our designer. Find the number here. It's this here, so it's text block 4. Back to graph. Text block 4. Set text. I'm going to go ahead and close this real quick and see if I can figure out why it's doing that before I continue recording, because that is extremely annoying that it never actually types the first time you do it. And I'm not getting this until right now, so I'll figure it out. So with this done, let's go ahead and compile and save, and that's the speed finished. All right, it seems to be working now. I have no idea why it was doing that. I just had to restart my engine. All right, back in our designer, let's do the field of view now. So go ahead and click on the slider, make sure it's a variable, add on value changed right here. Now on value changed, we're going to get our character. Simply, we're just going to do change field of view. Sorry, I meant set field of view. So set. Oh my god, it's doing it again. Why? There we go. Plug in field of view. Now we're just going to do the same for the text. So do here and do to text. Then after that, go back, find out what text it is. So in this case, it's this one too. Drag it in, set text. Now compile and save, and that should actually be it for our value slider. So let's go ahead and play and see. So now in our game, we can fly around. Field of view. Yep, that's it working right there. So if you wanted like a close peephole shot, you could do something like that. If you wanted more of it, you could increase the amount that you can go to like 180 or 200. Now speed slider, let's test that out. Yeah, that's definitely working. You can go a lot slower. Yep, cool. All right, so that is going to be it. So that's going to be it for this video. Just went ahead and showed you how to set up camera effects sliders. However, in the next video, we're going to knock out our lighting selection here as well as setting up the scene. I'll see you in the next one.